okay? But anyway, in today's video vlog, we're here going to the Galleria Mall to the, you know, our birthday dress lady. To show y'all my outfit. This so cute. It's sent off to fix. It's gonna take like.
That's for company big table.
Alright, time to go take a nap. And I say, so y'all can see CC. Look at CC. Right now, I'm rich. I got. Hey people, welcome to the channel. This is your girl Chevanese, aka Niecey, and welcome to a new video vlog. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome to the channel. Go ahead, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe people, share with your family and friends. Let's get us to 2,000 subscribers, okay? But anyway, in today's video vlog, we're here going to the Galleria Mall, to the Apple Store, because I'm going to go fix my laptop. If y'all keeping up with the vlog, you'll know what's going on. CC, my, oh Lord, this thing is so lean. CC, my toddler, broke my computer. So I'm here going to fix it. I'm late. I'm going to be 15 minutes late. And I said, when you're late, they don't want to see you. So I'm just crossing my finger so I could get in and they could see me, because I don't have time for this stress. But I'm here with my mom. Say hi, mommy.
Good morning.
I haven't even eaten. I didn't get to eat. I didn't get to drink no tea. I didn't get... What the heck is she doing? Oh shit, she's picking up this guy. The lady does pick up this man on the road. Maybe they know it. Come on!
Chevanese, stop scaring people there. Lock your door.
God damn it. She look like she's trying to find her husband today. Just pick up the guy out of nowhere. God. We're already late. Get off the damn road. Maybe she know him. I don't know. She just pick him up on the road. But I see you guys when I get to
in at the next one.
The place. Let's see if we're gonna get ready.
At the light, turn right on.
We make it to the Apple Store, baby. That look nice though. You know, our birthday dress lady.
Yeah, want something nice for her birthday. Look like a lady. Alright, we did have to call Chevanese. But they can't do it, don't come. No, anytime we go on that side, this happen. Why?
To show y'all my outfit. I'm gonna show them a good outfit. This so cute. This look nice, lady. Dorian? Hello. This look nice. Look at this shit. This is for $300. Look at this. $3.99. Just brown. Okay. But anyway, people, I don't know why my camera have all these stuff on the screen, but whatever. The laptop is sent off to fix. It's gonna take like 5 days. Oh shit, I should have went in that line. It's going quicker.
When the man do mail it to you?
No, I gotta come there to pick it up. It's only gonna cost me $100. If I didn't have insurance, no, you don't have appointment to pick it up. If I didn't have insurance, it cost me $500 to fix the screen. I'm so hungry. I think I'm gonna go check out this restaurant just to go for lunch, me and my mom. And then I gotta go pay the rent, go home, and do my hair. I need to take a nap today as well. But the day is going good. I'm so happy that these people did see me, because I would have been so pissed off if they didn't see me. I would have no other time to go there. I would have to wait till the other day off. And then my phone don't have no space to edit video. But I don't know. This spot is like a taco spot. And I also did want to go to this place called Fat Boy Sushi or something like that. I don't know. We'll see. Let's see what spot we're gonna try out.
Sleep.
We're at the taco spot. Let's go. We're gonna eat the people. I'm gonna go to taco. All right. But we're waiting for the food. This is my drink. I don't know what the hell is this, to be honest. I think a milk with something. But this is what you get when you know. Because I know, I see this place on Instagram, and I said, you know what, let's come over here. Oh my goodness. Oh no. Here, sit, mommy. Here,
Yes,
sit.
man.
When they're close to the toilets.
Well, this I drink no mix-up juice to run my belly.
It's not bad. It's cinnamon just didn't want to mix up. Maybe this is just a famous Mexican type of stuff. It's not bad. It just didn't want to mix up a little bit. Let's just wait for the food. Really a good food.
It will really have to company big table.
Yeah, but I tell you. Oh shit. Oh, let's show you all the other food. This is the, I don't know, some kind of fish. So let's try.
Yeah, bush. Bush sour now.
Burrito.
So no sauce to this? I have to pay for.
You have sauce on your table? No, so you get a good amount of shrimp.
Let me try one of that. So your box sitting now. Yeah.
The shell? The shell?
Yeah, I do so. Is that food that look too much? Oh, it tastes nice. So I don't think I didn't get.
Alright, people, let's try the
Then so when I use the hand.
mixed corn.
in the house.
Or it just goes back and forth. Like you get a pen, like
So what?
something. If you get a string or something on a
Sauce.
What's here? I said people didn't come. No?
it's like an old Simpson.
This tastes good. This fish tastes like chicken. I like this over the shrimp. This will taste good.
Man, big taco.
This is so good.
Yes, yeah, you come and find maga, and with some people they get fat. You come and find maga, you get fat.
I'm gonna say one on this and not for Jamal.
One girl that did. But you wait.
Sabuan. Sabuan. That's one.
So the man look for Shabana, this is not a roll. I'm gonna set for him.
Alright, the last things to taste. Let's show y'all. This is not the best.
Shabana is the sour now.
Oh, that's the best so far. The best. And that's the best so far.
Shabana is where you put on this to eat with it. The sauce is hot.
This is not hot. It tastes like barbecue. It tastes like a barbecue.
It's sweet, let me see.
This one, let me see.
It's sour.
Which one is it? Which one is it? This? Because this tastes good.
The one there, and it tastes like sauce. I don't want some my sauce like that when they put one.
So go another answer.
No, when they
I don't know, tell them to the sauce and then put it on the top. Yeah, this is the best thing is that. Cheers this one? And that's not the best. Get money. Get money. We turned on the radio, but I'm here at the ATM. I'm gonna get the ring, people, the money. But listen, at the restaurant, the taco that I really enjoyed was the dolphin taco. That was the best. The other one, not my favorite. The shrimp, wasn't the best to me. Well, this the lady. Come on, yeah, see. I gotta take some of the money on my card and some on my mom's card because it don't give me that much money through the ATM. Right now, I'm rich. I got money flash. It's like these people looking at me in the damn parking lot. Like, girl, give me some of that money. Saying my money's to be the people in Marines. But I'm flashing. I'm cashing. Oh, you better wait till I saw you enough. So, what listen? Them now wait till so. Alright, back home, batteries. Alright, time to go take a nap. And I say comfort over everything. I took out all my damn clothes. My battery died. I took out all my clothes and I'm in my nightgown, the favorite one, the grandma cozy one. The two kept them in the bed. They're gonna take a nap too. But anyway, I bought some Guinea from this lady on the road that was selling it like this for $20. But let me go sleep because for some reason when I wear the contacts, this eye is just this friggin' eye giving this scratching effect like this. I change it. It's a brand new one I put it and it's still with this eye. After a certain hours of wearing it, not even long hours, like 3 hours, it starts scratching. But I'm going to my bed, people. I'm going to my bed. I'm so freaking tired, exhausted. And we'll see. I'll show y'all the enough cat them. Hold on. Look at them. Mona, are you smelling my guinea? Look at Onion. So they're going to sleep with me right now. Finally up for the nap. Look at Ruth Cece. Look at her.
I want a donut.
I find this spot that sell donut and cookie. It's right beside the house too.
Donut?
I gotta cook dinner first.
Donut.
Baby.
Yeah. Where?
Oh, God, I'm so damn. Shh, calm down, baby. So friggin' tired. It's ridiculous. Let me put them back in the bag. I'm gonna put it in the bag and put it over there.
That's a donut.
This is not donut. This is
These are donuts.
I don't know why y'all just touch my food. I put it in there nice and neat. Y'all touch it and make it look like dog food. Oh Lord.
Dog food.
I'm gonna eat it. I'm gonna eat. My money ain't gonna waste. It's gonna be like lunch for tomorrow.
I didn't see your money.
Oh my goodness. Jamal, you know one of the what do you call that something here? Guinea. The guinea stuff. Oh, let's go hurry up do this. Y'all can't even see it. Like camera action. This one that I said.
Yeah,
that's good.
Yeah, I'm gonna go up there.
But okay, did you try the taco though?
Yeah.
Oh, you just don't like how it said? Look, I see. Let me turn on my light, people.
Yeah.
So y'all can see CC. Look at CC. CC first photo that she. I don't know if I'm gonna pay for it. I think I should, so I have something. Memory. I'm just gonna buy the smallest package. Cause next
So
year
you
they're
go
gonna
church
do picture
Sunday?
day too. So I'm gonna pay for it. And just do like the smallest one.
Oh, they cool down now, Kyrie and
Like the
fall.
cheapest packaging. Well, listen, I haven't done my hair yet. I'm gonna go do my hair right now. Hopefully I finish. I'm gonna watch something on Netflix. You flying your plane now? Okay, go ahead. Oh, but Cece, gotta do it right. Let me do it. So this is my plane that I made.
Right now.
See that?
Wait.
I'm gonna send it over the. It went the wrong way. Cece, come get it, baby. Cece, come. But listen, I'm still here doing my hair. Don't know if it's gonna finish at all. Urine gone over there, baby. It went over there.
Hey!
That's not it. It went on the floor.
Where?
Oh, Jamar playing his plane. Oh my goodness, I'm playing this plane. I don't remember how to make plane. I know I don't make it right. Look, it's right there in the corner. Right over there, baby. On the floor. On the floor, Cece. You gotta listen. It's time to go to bed anyway. This is too much. I just realized the lady cut my hair in Jamaica. She was like, oh, I'm just trimming up the roots. I don't know. Like, way at the back of my hair down. You feel like they're falling out.
I cannot fuck with you, baby, you right. You are not for me, goodbye.